Students, good morning all of you. I am Snigdha Mohanty. I teach English in Vivekananda Public School. We will start our fourth lesson of English literature book, chapter 4. Topic is your safety first. Okay, safety first. So all of you take out your English literature book, open page number 25. Page number 25. Safety first. What is the safety? First of all, when we are going to outside, if we will come alive without any obstacles and we will reach that place safely without any problem, that is our safetyness. And when we are going in a road, everywhere there is road is there, left, right, up, down, everything. If all will go at a time, then what will happen? Accident, people may be injured, die, anything. So how we will stop all these things? Who will stop? Through our traffic point. Through traffic signal we will stop our journey. In this traffic, there is 3 signals are there. One is red, second one is yellow, third one is your green. Now tell me students, when you are going to ring road and crossing the thing, at that time all of you see your this point, traffic point, yes or no? So what is the meaning of red? Suppose here 4 sides and here is traffic light, here is your traffic light. You will enter here, someone will enter here, someone will also enter, someone will also enter. If we will at a time go, it will be accident, yes or no? So who will stop? Your red signal will stop you. If he will stop, he will not stop all. Suppose you will go there, this side also stop. 2 side it will stop and 2 side it will go. One is clockwise, another is anti-clockwise. Okay. Next, yellow. Suppose these 2 sides are going. Here one side, here one. He is going there, he will coming here. Then these 2 sides will stop. Then how they will go? How they will? When one person is stopped, then how they will go? Through yellow light. They will also watch the yellow light. Yellow light is what? For waiting. How many times? 2 seconds, 1 second or 5 seconds. That is only happen in yellow light. Then what is the meaning of green light? When green light show, this light shows, then the person who has stopped here, they will go. Okay, understood? Through this, what we will learn? If we will stop, another will go. So, accident, there will be no accident. So, we must follow these rules. So, that is our safety. Now, we will start our poem. First, we will learn the poem, then we will explain. Okay? Off the street, I look to see if any traffic is near to me. Down the street, I look as well and listen for a horn or bell. There is something coming, waiting a bit. If I run out, I may be hit. But now the road is really clear. Now the cars or motor bus is near. I run across the road so wide and get safely to other side. Okay. Again I am reading. Off the street I look to see if any traffic is near to me. Off the streets, when we will go to the street, I look to see. I have to see here and there. If any traffic is near to me, suppose we are crossing to that side. The traffic is there. If any traffic is near to me. So, when here the poet want to say, if I will go out, I must see the traffic which is near to me. Down the street I look as well and listen for a horn or bell. If I will go to anywhere, I must look correctly, well, and listen for a horn or bell. Suppose I am walking and behind one car or bus or cycle or anything will come. They must blow the horn. So I must listen for a horn or bell. If I will go anywhere, I must look here and there and also listen the horn or bell. There is something coming waiting a bit. If I run out, I may be hit. There is something coming waiting a bit. If traffic light will be there, then I have to stop, then wait, yellow light will be wait. So, if there is something coming, I have to wait. If I will run, suppose bus is coming in front of me and I want to go that side. At that time bus is, suppose I want to go to the street and bus is just coming to, if I will run, then bus will hit. So I must listen the horn and bell. Then I will wait a bit. If I will not wait, then it will hit to me. Next. But now the road is really clear. No cars, no motor bus is near. Now the road is really clear. How it's clear? When all our vehicles are coming, suddenly how it will clear? It's clear only because of traffic light. Traffic light says red means it's stop and yellow means it's wait. Then at that time that place will vacant. So the poet want to say that now the road is clear and no car, no motor bus is near to me. Next, I run across the road so wide and get safely to other side. I run across the road. Across the road, that road is very wide and I get safely other side. Okay, in this poem there is so many rhyming words are here. Okay, what is the first word rhyming word? Here, well, rhyming word is bell. Well, bell. Then second rhyming word, yes children, beat, hit. Beat, hit. Okay, hit. Next, clear, near. This is also a rhyming word. Clear, near. Okay. Next, wide. Wide, side. Wide, side. All of you know well, bell. Well, when we are feeling well. If there is no obstacles, no bus is there. Bell, one type of sound given to a bus, motor bus, car, horn, cycle, everywhere bell is required. Clear, there is nothing will be there, clean. Near, which is near to us. Wide, it's expand. Side, there is nothing, you can make a one corner, one side you can go. Bit, little bit. If you will not wait a little bit time for a timing period, it hit means it's injured to you. Okay. So all of you learn this poem and learn this poem. Now students, we will do our book work. Okay. The poem summary complete. We will do our book work. Now all of you take out your page number 26. Okay. First, understanding. A. Answer the following question with yes or no. Okay. This question. Does the person in the poem look up and down the road before crossing? Answer the following yes or no. Here two sentences are here. This will, if these things will follow,